Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this 30-inch body wave wig that I received from Wiggins Hair. This is their 13x6 HD lace front unit, and as you can see, this unit does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-styled. First thing I'm doing is cutting my lace into 3 sections, and then I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To install my lace, today I will be using 2 layers of the Bold Hold Active lace glue. I'm going in with my fan to slightly dry the glue until it is tacky enough for me to apply that second layer of glue. Once that glue is nice and tacky, I'm going to go in and lay the first section of the lace down. To make sure that the lace is fully glued down, I'm going in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting. Then you want to apply those same steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now I'm going in and cutting the ear tabs off on the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. I typically do this step before I glue my lace down, but if not, then it is still okay to do it afterwards. Now I'm applying a small amount of the Kiss Lace Bond adhesive spray on top of the lace for a better hold and so that the install can last longer as well. I'm using the leftover foundation that was left on my foundation brush to blend the lace with my skin tone. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to really melt this lace down. I do this step for about 5 minutes, then without the blow dryer, I'll keep the elastic band on for an extra 10 minutes. To cut my lace off, I'm going in with the Kiss razor, and I like to cut my lace in sections, starting with that middle section so that I can really focus on the details while cutting my lace. I'm going in with the Bedhead Masterpiece spray and applying a thin layer of that spray on top of the lace. Now that the lace is completely dry, I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I'm using the Carrot Care wax stick to mold down the top of my lace. Then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush to really flatten down the top of this wig. To get this wig even flatter, I'm using my hot comb on the hottest heat setting to go through the top of this wig. Since this unit already came pre-curled, I didn't have to do much with the styling. I just went in with my wide tooth comb and just combed out the curls a little bit. However, I am still gonna go back with my curling iron to enhance these curls a little bit more. But before I do that, I'm gonna go in with my razor comb to add some layers to this hair. I love adding layers to a curled wig because it will always give it more volume and it'll really make the hair pop out more. I'm using my T3 curler to only curl certain pieces on this wig. I'm going in with the Ebin concealer to enhance my parting space. I'm using the Taraji P. Henson Keep It Fresh spray because it smells really good and it adds that fresh smell and feel to your hair. Here's the final look of this wig and I was very satisfied with the outcome. One thing that I can say about Wiggins Hair, their quality is always amazing. It never fails when it comes to Wiggins Hair. With this hair, I didn't have to worry about a lot of shedding. I did not have to worry about the hair tangling or knotting up. The quality of this hair, as you can see, is just really good quality hair. The lace is a very good lace as well. I feel like it blends well with the skin tone, especially when you look at it in person. And just the hair itself, it was super full. My hands were able to run right through it, and I did receive a lot of compliments on this wig. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below on how you like the unit. Make sure you like and subscribe as well, and stay tuned for my next video.